This is the new 2021 43 LE Luxury Express. Has the performance blue gel coat paint with the crystal white boot stripe. It has triple 450 horsepower Mercury Verado racing motors. Architectural teak across the deck. Lots of seating. Comfortable. This middle seat here, that swivels 360 degrees. And that's a dive door right there. It'll fold down. And the dive lateral goes in that stainless steel fitting there. It's got the walk-through door here. Transom shower right there. Angled seats. Pacific blue vinyl. Here's our glass dash. There's the joystick, the digital throttle. Here's our Seakeeper display, our Fusion stereo. As we walk down in the cabin, it has real teak wood floors, lots of teak in the boat. Big, beautiful bed here to sleep on when you're overnighting it. Has a flat screen TV right there. Nice windows, natural light. Then we'll walk back into the full beam bedroom. And there's your double bed in the back. And then this is your head. Got a Dometic toilet, bowl sink, and a nice big shower stand-up area. Both these chairs swivel. They'll spin around the other direction. And then a nice feature is when you're sitting out here, we can push this button. It has a fold down flat screen TV right here. It's a Samsung. So when you're sitting here, you can watch TV comfortably. As we move to the bow area, it's got a nice big walk around, stainless steel rails. Anchor chain and line under here and the windlass. And then here's your sun pad with some drink holders, a little carry-on underneath those drink holders. Great visibility, Garmin radar. That's it, the 43 LE 2021 for sale, available in Newport Beach.